In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Chrome. This is a very quick and useful feature built directly into the Chrome browser, and it's perfect when you want to share a website with someone instantly. Instead of copying a long link and sending it manually, you can turn the page into a QR code that can be scanned with a phone or another device in just a few seconds. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the specific website you want to turn into a QR code. This can be almost any web page, depending on what you want to share. For this example, I'm going to open YouTube, but you can follow the exact same process with any site you choose. After the website is fully loaded, move your mouse anywhere on the page and right-click. This will open the context menu with several browser options. In that menu, look for the option that says Create QR Code for this page and click on it. As soon as you select that option, Chrome will generate a QR code for the web page you currently have open. A small window will appear showing the QR code clearly on screen. This is the code that others can scan to open that exact page directly on their device. From here, if you want to save the QR code and use it later, click the Download button. Chrome will then save the QR code image to your computer, making it easy to share, attach to a document, add to a presentation, or even print out if needed. One helpful tip is to make sure you are on the exact page you want before creating the QR code, because Chrome generates it for the current page you are viewing. So if you're on the home page of a website, the QR code will lead to that home page. If you're on a specific video, article, or product page, the QR code will direct people straight there instead. And that's it. As you can see, creating a QR code in Chrome is fast, simple, and doesn't require any extra tools or extensions. Just open the page, right-click, choose the QR code option, and download the image. It's a convenient way to share web pages more efficiently, especially when moving from a computer to a mobile device.